Hello. What's your name?
Lucy.
Okay, Lucy. How old are you? How old are you? 3 years old. Okay, thank you. Good. What color do you like?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, thank you. What animals do you like? What animals do you like?
Cat.
I like
I like cat.
cats. Okay, thank you. Okay, Lucy. Letter
Letter E.
A.
A.
A is for
For apple.
A is for a- ant. Okay, good. Letter
B.
yes.
Bat.
Bus.
Ball.
Ball. Okay, good. Letter
C.
C.
Cat.
Cat. Cake.
Cat.
Okay, good. Letter
D.
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 Dog.
Dog.
Dog. Yes, good. Okay. Letter E.
E.
E. Okay. E is for egg.
Egg.
Okay. And what's this?
I.
I. Okay. Thank you. Good. Letter
E.
F. Okay. This is
Fish.
fish. And this is
Fox.
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 Okay. Good job. Letter
E.
G. Okay.
E. Go.
Goat. Gray.
Red.
Grapes.
Fish.
Letter
E.
H.
H.
Letter H.
House.
House.
Hat.
Hat. Okay, good. Letter
E.
I.
I.
What's this? Eyes.
I feel.
Yes, and what's this? In.
You.
Insect.
Insect.
Insect. Okay, good. Letter
C.
J.
J.
J is for jacket.
J.
Jacket.
Jacket.
And this is jump.
Chow.
Jump. Okay, thank you. Good. Letter
Cat.
K. Key.
Yeah.
And what's this? Ka.
Cat. B.
Letter L.
Oh.
And what's this? L. La.
Lion.
Lion. Okay. And what's this? Lamp.
Lamp.
Lamp. Okay. Okay, Lucy. What's this letter?
E.
M.
M.
what's this? Ma,
Mouse.
mouse.
Moon.
And what's this?
D.
N. N. Okay, good. What's this?
No.
Nose, right. And what's this?
Number.
Number. Okay, good job, Lucy. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, what do you see?
Cat.
I see
I see a cat.
a yellow
Yellow.
cat. Okay, good. What do you see?
See dog.
Dog. What do you see? I see.
See a duck.
What color is the duck?
It's brown.
And brown and green.
Green.
Green, okay, good. What do you see?
See pig.
I see
See a pig.
pig. Okay. What do you see?
See
I see
a rabbit.
rabbit. Okay, good. What do you see?
See
I see
a
sheep.
sheep.
Sheep. Okay, good. What do you see? I
I see
I see a rooster. Okay, good. What do you see? I see a horse.
horse.
Okay, good. What do you see?
Goat.
I see
I see goat.
a goat. Okay, and what do you see? I
I see
a cow.
a
Cow.
cow.
Okay, Lucy, thank you. You did a great job. Goodbye.